Hi everyone, it's Sue. So happy spring everyone! With the warmer weather, I'm feeling kind of sunny today. And there's also a feeling of hope in the air. And speaking of hope, I just did my Hope Art Challenge, where I used the theme of hope in a charcoal drawing of a little girl who has very hopeful eyes, and I thought that it would remind us that brighter days are ahead. So I had a few participants who were very talented and did amazing additions to the Hope Challenge. So I will put links to their channels below, plus I will give them a bit of a shout out today. So please, please, please go check out their Hope Art Challenge submissions because they were absolutely amazing. So you might ask, why else am I mellow yellow today? It's because I am participating in Dena Tollefson's art challenge, YellowFlowerArtChallenge, where you had to do some form of painting or drawing or artwork, either with the yellow theme, the flower theme, or both, the yellow flower theme. So I decided to go with both and a little bit more. So do you like participating in art challenges and DIY craft challenges? Well, I'm going to be having lots more myself coming up. So if you join me tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be on Inde-Annie Jones's channel live doing a paint and chat, talking about my upcoming challenges that you might like to be part of. And if you haven't checked out Inde-Annie Jones, I will put a link to her channel below. She is amazing. She's very creative, very talented, very sweet, and helps out a lot of YouTubers. As well does Dena Tollefson, and I will put a link to her channel below as well because she has a lot of amazing art challenges coming up in the future. So don't forget to join me tonight to find out how you can be a part of my challenges. So first, a shout out to all the channels who participated in my Hope Art Challenge. Leigh's Art Studio, Simply Jelly Jam, Davy J.Y Art with a Pen, Artfully Blind with Diana, and Holly's Hobby House. Please check out their channels below and check out their submissions. So for Dena Tollefson's Yellow Flower Art Challenge, I decided to do this lady in a field of sunflowers in gouache, and it's kind of an impressionistic view of the original photo. So sit back, relax, and hopefully you enjoy it.